All right, so welcome back, everyone. How are you all doing today? It's another video where I show you my basically just to update you on my current prop challenge series that I started a couple of weeks back. I think it's been a week now or two, basically, and just to update you how the account is growing, the mistakes I made, the update I have, the trade I closed, the one I opened, the one I run out of, the one I was scared and I ran away from. So I'm just gonna update you on anything that happened on the account. Basically, that's all this video is all about, and you'll be surprised why am I showing you this very reddish color on the screen. And I'm also wearing red color because everywhere is actually red right now. If you don't know, everywhere is actually red. So let's take a quick dive into what is what right now. First off, let's the elephant in the room, because I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency. Basically, I think I was converted into cryptocurrency charade. Let's put it that way. Couple of years back, maybe 3 years back, or I was just watching. Like I was more like speculating. I wasn't really into it until I think 2 years ago when I actually deep myself into it. I'm still learning across the way, the NFTs, the Web3, every single thing on the crypto world. I'm still learning, analyze how to. I'm trying to implement my technical analysis into crypto world. But what is happening right now is mind blowing. I mean, mind blowing. We can see every single thing is dropping, and not just in the crypto world, in the stock world as well. The stock market is almost crashing down. You can see Microsoft is down, Oracle is down, Adobe is down, Apple is a little bit up. Okay, it was down yesterday, but it's a little bit now. Google is down, Meta down, Amazon is down, the top one is down, Netflix is down, Nvidia is down by 5.68%. I mean, Nvidia that has been topping the chart throughout this year just keep moving like boom, boom, boom. Now it's down. Okay, I think Lenovo or something, biotechnology. I think some of them are down. You can see everything about tech is crazily down. Medical devices, some of them are up. Drug and manufacturing generals, okay, in that aspect, they're a little bit up. Okay, telecom service, a little bit up as well. Then entertainment is terribly down. Internet connection information down. Okay, software infrastructure down. Everything is literally down. Financial, you can guess what happens in the financial market. JP Morgan down, Barclays down, WFC down, MUFG is down, C down, UBS is down, HSBC is down. Everybody is crazily down. It's actually very funny to see how the market can be so crazy like this, and I still get to open a trade in the forex market. So let's take a quick look into that. I just want to show you this reddish stuff. It actually just scare you. I don't really have anything serious to say. Maybe I will chip in a little bit about cryptocurrency later, but you can watch my previous video. I made a couple of videos on crypto market and looking forward how to look. Okay, what to actually plan for or what to look for basically on crypto market anyways. Okay, if I'm ever gonna look into if I'm ever gonna buy any crypto now, it's gonna be first BTC, Ethereum, Solana. I've been looking for Solana to actually drop for a very long time. I'm gonna hold some Solana. I'm gonna get into XRP also. Adano, maybe Trunks. I'm not sure. BNB, yes, I'm gonna get into BNB for sure. It's down 17%. Okay, that is a very good down. So I really love to get myself into maybe $50 all around the board, maybe $100 all across the board. Just share it around and see how it goes. Litecoin, maybe. Dot, definitely. Avano, okay, AVAX, I'm very sure I'm going to put my money into that because I've actually been using their I've been using their system for my crypto transaction lately, and it's been really good. Basically, Shiba, of course, I'm going to jump into Shiba also. Doge, yeah, I'm going to add into some more. I have almost all this coin. I'm just going to pack some more because I have to keep buying the dip. So enough of my back and forth with the whole craziness in the market right now. I'm very sure you can see it on your side as well. Let's just get right into business of the day, which is me updating you on my account currently. So let's go. So first off, I would like to start with the current trade I'm in. All right, which is I'm currently in on NZD card. I'm selling NZD card right there, and also I am buying NZD USD. Yes, there is a reason for that. Because you might ask, why am I selling NZD USD? I mean, why am I selling NZD card and I'm buying NZD USD? Okay, it doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, because I've seen quite a few things in this market this past this couple of weeks or couple of months actually, and it has changed the way I see the market totally, because I've seen how intermarket analysis and market correlation doesn't really make much of sense. Okay, you see Euro CHF going down, you see you see USD CHF going down, and then see USD CAD going up. You see gold and USD JPY at the same time. You see dollar index going in the same direction. Doesn't make any sense. So I feel like, why not? Let me just chip in a couple of trades on this particular. Let me just chip in a very crazy trade and see how it goes. Okay, and don't forget, I'm actually risking very small on each trade. You can see this particular one, which is NZD card right there. I'm risking just $14. Let me add the other pair, which is NZD USD. Okay, let me add it right there. Okay, so this is NZD dollar, Kiwi dollar right there. As you can see, Kiwi dollar, I'm risking just how much is that? $14. So in total, I'm only risking $28. I'm risking less than $30 on each, on both of them. Okay. And both of them, when you accumulate it together, I'm only risking $30, less than $30 actually. And you can see I'm targeting $36 here. Okay, actually I'm gonna trade it to the last drop. Okay, this is gonna be my final TP right here at the bottom. The TP is actually at $659. Okay, at least $59 I'm going to take out of that NZD card. And this dollar, Kiwi dollar, my TP is around $60, where I'm only risking $15.45 on the trade. And you can see how it's running currently. I see NZD card is running in a little bit of a profit, which is $4.50. I'm going to show you what, I always show how I enter the trade, what triggered my entry, and then the remaining show, right? And the NZD Kiwi dollar also, okay, they're both Kiwi anyway, so NZD card, NZD USD, so I'm just going to refer to them as Kiwi dollar, Kiwi card. So Kiwi card here, Kiwi dollar, excuse me, is a little bit down by $5.08. Let's just say a little bit above $66 basically. So the trade is more like in the break even. Okay, you can see I have $18 here minus 19 pips, 18, 19, 20 pips. Okay, and right here I have a steady 21 pips profit, 20 pips profit, because the trade is still floating. So you see how it goes. Yeah, I know the market is crazy right now and I'm trading, but you can see both of them, I'm actually risking a little bit, just $30 on both trades. Okay, nothing too crazy. My original risk per trade is $25. Okay, so I'm actually just doing very well, honestly, because at this time in this period, with what the market is doing right now, the only way you can protect yourself is risking very little. Okay, don't mind the profit that comes out of it. Just make sure you're risking as little as possible. That's my takeaway from all this craziness in the market so far. All right. So without further ado, let's get right into the whole chart and see how the market is. Well, what makes me enter the trade? What is the reason and why? What not? Okay. So let me start with the one that is currently running in the drawdown. So first off, I want to show you why I took a buy on gold. Excuse me, on Kiwi dollar. I want to take a buy on good, but I'm definitely not gonna touch gold anytime soon. Okay, for real. Okay, gold is one of those pairs you don't want to touch right now because it's very volatile, very crazy, and just like that. So first off, I would like to bring out something really interesting right here, which is my indicator. And I call this trade counter trend. Okay, it's a counter trend trade. I call it CT. And when I want to open this trade, there are few things I like to see. Okay, let me just make it three things I like to see. First off, I want to see an overly extended, extended move, in the market. Overly extended move in the market. And you can see what happened right here. The market has been going down for a very long time, without any serious pullback. Okay, that's number one, overly extended move. Number two, I would like to see a divergence. Okay, a divergence. By me, I mean when the market is doing higher high or when the market is doing lower high, and the momentum indicator, maybe it RSI or stochastic, is doing something opposite to what the market is doing, what the price is doing. Okay, that is what I call that is what divergence means. If you don't really understand what divergence means, I can't go to full details right now, but you can probably take a quick dive into Google and see for yourself what divergence really means. But let me just explain what how I use it right here. So first off, you can see the market right here is making a bit of lower low, lower high. I think I have to remove all of this. Please tell me I'm not okay. Good. So you can see right here the market is doing a bit of lower low, lower high right here. You can see we have lower low here, we have lower high, we have lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, and right here you can see we have low, high, low, high, right? We have higher, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. Excuse me, we have higher, low, and lower, high. Am I even making sense, guys? I'm not sure. So right here, instead of having lower low, lower high, lower low, we're having higher high, higher low, higher high. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay, I have to call myself into order. So basically, you can see we have low here, we have high here, we have a lower high, and then we have a higher high. Because this high, this particular high is higher than this previous high. And then market came and gave us another lower high because this low is lower than this new low right there. Okay, so right here we have a lower low, lower high. Okay, you see this low is lower than this particular low. Excuse me, this particular low right here is lower than this other low, and this low right here is lower than this previous low. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. When the market is doing something like this, lower low, lower high, and the indicator is doing higher high, higher low. That's what we mean by divergence. I think I just explained everything about divergence. So moving back to the real plan of the whole setup. So the second thing I want to see is a divergence. Okay, and the last thing I would like to see is a break and retest of structure. Okay, break and retest of what? Of structure. STR. Right. So those three things that happen because this is the previous high. Right. All I want to see is market to continue to go down if the trend is continuing to be bearish. But instead, the market break above here. Now it has pulled back to retesting this particular high. So we have a resistance here before initially, and now we have a support here. Okay, that is the reason why I took the trade. You can see what I'm saying now. And the other thing I had to make the whole thing very juicy is Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci, which is 50% at least. Okay, 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So let's take a quick look into that before I go. I get out of that whole educational phase. So right here, you can see we have a Fibonacci right here, and you can see, fortunately for me, the market actually came. Okay, control. Good. So fortunately for me, the market came all the way back to retesting the 50%. Okay, good. You can see it came all the way to retesting 50%. All right. Minding not this particular drop. Okay, we are not minding it because it was crazy. Okay, so if you're not taking that drop not too seriously because it happened in the morning. I saw it happen actually, and it was very dramatic. But fortunately, the market actually went back up and it stays above this key zone right there. Okay, so that is the reason why I jumping into this trade right now because I saw all my setup. Okay, my counter trend setup trade, it works out properly. Okay, and all I'm targeting is just a retest, a serious retest of this broken structure right here. Okay, I just want to see it being successfully getting retested. If that is done, then TP, I'm done with the trade. So that is the whole plan, and I hope you understand the reason why I took the trade. I don't know why my mouse is a little bit. It's giving me a little bit of attitude. I guess it is what it is. Everything is happening in the market, so I guess they can enjoy it. Show. So that's that on this particular trade. Okay. That's the reason why I took the trade, and it's currently running in a very small, just a bit of a drawdown, actually, just a bit of a drawdown. Okay, and the target is around 1:3. Okay, 1:3.8. I'm risking a bit of, I think, something around 50 pips there, but no, it's actually 45 pips. Okay, 44.4, so more like 45 pips, and I'm targeting something like 141 or 140 pips, so to speak. So it's around 100 and just 1:3. Okay, risk to reward ratio, basically. So that is the plan, and that's the trade I took on NZD/USD. It's currently on the drawdown, as you can see right there. So I'm willing and ready to wait for things to see how it actually play out. So the second trade, which is the last trade, is NZD card. I'm gonna walk you through how I took this trade. Some of you knew that I closed a very good trade, okay, a profitable trade on this particular pair. I'm gonna search for NZD card right here. So is it this one? I'm not sure. Okay, that's the one I actually took this trade first. I took it like multiple times before I finally took it, but that's not the one. Okay, so NZDCD. Okay, all right. So this is the first one, not this month. I think last month. It should be last month. Apply. And like I said, I'm still finding it very hard. Still finding it very hard to good Lord. Okay, I'm still finding it hard to really understand the whole intricacies of this show, of this particular current month, previous month. Why is it hard for you to just show me the result? Okay, the return. Okay, very good. So this is the trade I picked last month on NZD card. You can see it closed me out in $34 since I started the series. Okay, you can see I took another one, something around the 3rd of July. Yes, but I've not started this particular challenge then. Okay, I started the challenge with $5,000 basic, and that's what I've been running with so far. Okay, so this is a particular trade I took since I started the challenge. You can see in the previous video, I think in the episode 5 or thereabout, or part 5, and it's close with $34 profit. Okay, so and if you watch the video very well, the part 5 video, you will see that I took the trade somewhere around there. I took the trade somewhere around there and I got trailed out right there. Okay. And since then, the market has found its way back to retesting this broken structure. And you notice, if you notice very well that when I was analyzing that chart, then you can see I drew something like a structure right here that got broken multiple times. Okay. However, since then, the market hasn't really gone back to retest it. And I guess probably this is this is finally the retest. So I joined this trade, just the basic one, okay, and it was quite neat. Okay, I took a first trade that the one you saw that was around $4 profit this morning. I mean $9 profit this morning, I think. Let me show you that real quickly. So this month, okay. So today NZD card. Okay, this is no, okay, yeah, this is it. So this is the first trade because I was trying to risk very little. So I took this trade, I closed it out at break even. Okay, more like break even, more like a little loss because I want to just trade very small amount of money. I don't want to risk too much. Okay, so I opened it around 6 a.m. I closed it. Okay, and then I opened another one around 9 a.m. this morning. Okay, and that was this old push that happened, this very dramatic drop in the market. Okay, since that drop happened, so and that was that. Okay, this particular one. So I thought that was the trade. Okay, I actually thought that was the trade when it started going down, just kept on going down. It actually got to like plus 2% profit. Okay, I was really glad, like, okay, maybe this is the trade, maybe this is it. But instead, it went all the way back. Okay, went all the way back to retesting this area. You can see this particular candle that got rejected. It rejected all the way to the top, and now it's coming back down. So fortunately for me, I was able to re-enter the trade after I was failed out at almost the same price level, and the trade is currently running right now. But the risk I was risking earlier was the normal 0.5%. Okay, but this particular day, since I saw and I noticed that I'm going to be opening the NZD card later, I figured I should just chip it down a little bit so I can accommodate NZD USD while risking just the same buffer of 0.5%, the same amount of risk I will actually take on one particular trade. I decided to just play it around. And because of the volatility and the uncertainty in the market right now, that is the reason why. That's the reason behind these two trades. Okay, so I want to see how this goes. If they close out in loss, I'm going to update you. If they close out in profit, I'm definitely going to update you. So that is more like it for today. I'm going to catch you in the next video, which is going to be the next episode anyways. So have a nice one. The account so far, lastly, the account so far is still a little bit above $140. Okay, still a little bit above $140. So because of the profit and loss, I was able to close this morning based on my entry, jumping in and jumping out. So that is the reason why we're having that right now. But so far so good. I'm still currently up. Okay, like I told you, this series might be a very long one because I'm risking very little, and I want to take it slow and steady to show people that you can actually pass a challenge, risking little and then being a swing trader. Okay, risking as little as possible and then being a swing trader. Okay, you can compound the money slow and steady and then you will thrive. Okay, I'm gonna show my profit, I'm gonna show my loss, I'm gonna mention my mistakes, I'm gonna tell you when I napped and the market took me in a loss. Okay, like what happened $0. on Friday. So that's all like it. That's more like it actually, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye for now.